Good morning. Today we'll be discussing on earthing and bonding. As you can see right here, we already installed our earth bars. So the earth bar is a 6-way earth bar, copper bars with 2 disconnection link. Okay, as you can see, this is a disconnection. There's a first disconnection link, and then this is the other disconnection link. And then we have the 6-way, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-way bus bar. Okay, as you can see, we have a rectangular copper bar which is being installed already. We did the termination as well, which is being grounded around this particular room. And then we have a 70 square conductor which is going to the pit, to the earth pit, where we have the earth rod which is implanted to the ground. And then we have a 50 square earth conductor as well, which is going to the next floor. So having a loop goes to the other floors. And then we have the two 25 square earth conductor, which is going to the equipment units. As you can see, these both are going to the equipment unit. This is a conduit which is going here, and it goes. The doors is it will go and then drop to the first MCC and then drop to the second MCC. So both will clamp to the MCC panels, and then these MCC panels are going to feed the equipment which are outside, which are jet fans. So these jet fans, the cable, which is an armor cable, will clamp to this panels, to the MCC panels, and then will be bonded inside, which I'll show you in the next video. Once it's been bonded, at the same time it will be added as well to the equipment units, which are the jet fans. Thank you very much. Hope to see you next time.